Hello guys, we are here with Rod, our client. We just finished the project here in Northridge. We did the kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and we painted the house. We did the deck, we did water heater.
Correct.
And what else?
We did around the roof. We had to change a lot of
Trim and
exactly.
boards.
Exactly.
So if you can tell a little bit about the experience, how was the process and
Perfect. Yeah. So my name is Rod. I own this rental property in Northridge. Initially, when my tenant left, I started shopping around for a contractor. So we did receive, I did receive 5 different proposals. Ray was the most competitive one, and Ray was the most detailed one. And then, I did tell Ray that, hey, listen, this is my first construction I'm doing. I really need somebody to help me when it comes to buying, final, vanities and final touches. He did really help me out, and then actually he did save me a lot of money as well. We went over the proposal. Everything was done based on the proposal, A to Z. Also, I did recommend Ray to a friend of mine is going to be going through construction as well too, and my friend is going to actually use him. And then just to let you know, so I know some construction contractors, they tend to cut corners to finish the project. Ray does not cut corners because we did do the inspection, and our inspection showed that everything was done properly by the code and we're using good material and doing it on timely manner. So it's very, very important, especially for long term. They don't cut corners, and then with our project, we pull permit. So it's very important we pass the permit, and we pass the permit every time. So every time the inspector came in, they looked at it, the work was done properly. Also, one of the most important thing about Ray is that he's able to respond to you right away. And he will send you the status of your work on every daily basis or every 2 days that, hey, we got this done today. So he kind of will have that conversation with you. Some contractors I have heard is that they don't really give you a status, or they don't really respond to you because they're so busy with so many projects. But Ray, when you respond, he responds right back to you. And then he always take care of things that needs to be taken care of, especially when you do construction in the small details, because sometimes the small details are also important too. Overall, I'm very happy with his service. I'm very, I was very concerned at which contractor to go with, and then Ray was the one. My guts told me to go with Ray, and it was the best one.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Of course, my pleasure.
I have one question.
Sure.
So you didn't live in the house, right?
Correct. Yes.
During the process. Now, the fact that I send you pictures almost every day,
right? How
does it feel?
Right. So how it feels is that the project is getting done, and then the project is continuing to go on. It's not the project is going to stop because something's going on with the team members or something's going on with the house. It gives me a confidence that the project is absolutely.
So it's progressing, right?
Absolutely, confidence and peace of mind that this project is going to be done by the time now.
Yeah,
yes.
Because some clients and some people asking me, hey, I don't wanna give you the job because I'm not gonna be here, right? I'm traveling or during this time or whatever. What you can say to those people?
Well, what I can say to those people is that it's a trust, and Ray is a very trustable person because he'll get the job done and he will respond to you. And if you want a picture from your home or if you want a video from your home, he has no problem coming over here and taking pictures and showing videos and things like that. I always say is that when you hire a contractor, you have to have the trust, and I definitely trust Ray.
Thank you very much.